Welcome back to my channel where sometimes I'm a newsie, milady. So I haven't done anything with my hair for quite a while. Right before quarantine, I had a hair dyeing adventure that didn't turn out so well for me. But that's a story for another day. And I hadn't really done anything since that. I trimmed my hair a couple of times at home, but I hadn't really taken any length off of it because I just kind of felt like having it long for a while. But you know what? It's too long. It's time for a change. I've always really liked doing things for myself and learning new skills, so I went on the Tube of You and I followed a haircutting tutorial. And this is how that went. This is a look for sure. I'm nervous, but I'm so ready. Like, my hair, no matter what I do with it, it just looks stringy and greasy, and I don't like it. I'm gonna start kind of small today with the length. Okay, here we go. Okay, so she said to just cut straight across. I will try. I mean, I'm bi, so I can't really cut straight, but you know. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I feel like this is a little bit thick. It's okay, we can fix it. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh, did I just ruin my hair? I think I might have just ruined my hair. Oh boy, okay, it's fine. It's fine. Let's just take it out and see how it looks. It actually doesn't look that bad. At least from the front. From the front, it doesn't look that bad. Let's see how it looks from the back. Guess I'll see the footage. I think I want to go a little bit shorter than this though, so 1 second. Here we go, one more time. I'm just sawing through my hair. This isn't a good technique. Don't follow me. Don't follow my example. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Ugh, I can already tell that I need to do some cleaning up. Oh my god, my hair is so short. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm loving it though. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Well, okay, everything's gonna be fine. It's okay, we can fix it. I just noticed this guy. And now, time for layers. Oh no. Should probably comb this out first. Oh my god. I actually really love this. It feels so much healthier. I feel like I'm not gonna have to spend so much time just combing out my hair. I'm sure that I'll see some mistakes when I get a closer look at it, but for now, I love this. I am proud of myself. Oop, I just noticed a mistake. Okay, the mistake is gone. I decided that wasn't enough, so it was time to dye. I didn't really film any commentary with this because dyeing your hair is kind of a time-sensitive thing, you know? And I wanted to make sure that I wasn't gonna mess it up. So here is a nice little time lapse of me dyeing my hair. Enjoy.
And now, my friends, it is time. It is time. Oh, it is time for the big reveal. Uh-oh, this is what you came for. I am so cringy. Obviously, you've seen the length already, so you kind of already know some of it, but this is what my hair looks like now. A fashion model. I am super happy with how it turned out. Oh my god. It doesn't even feel like that drastic of a change, even though I cut like, how many inches off my hair? I don't know. But I really like the way it turned out, and I'm just excited that I did it myself. I really, really like it. Anyway, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to subscribe, you can subscribe if you want. Hello! Oh, flowers! They got me flowers. They're so big! Subscribe!